Major General Opiyo, who passed away on the 7th of July, the brother to General Otema. We have received an update about the burial arrangement or the roadmap to the burial or the burial program. First of all, may his soul rest in peace. Well, the update that has just come in indicates that the body of Major Opiyo Patrick Awany will arrive at Entebbe International Airport on Thursday, and Thursday is when the body will arrive at Entebbe. So Thursday will be the 11th of July. So that is when the body will arrive. And then after the arrival of the body will also be taken on that same Thursday to Bombo on the same day. That is still the 11th of July, to Bombo military barracks for post-mortem and the military at the military hospital. So the body will, the same day, the body will be taken to Bombo military barracks at the military hospital. Reason being to conduct post-mortem. Then on Friday, which will be the 12th of July, the body will be taken to Gulu City at his home in a behind a UA health centers in Pajalaro division. So that will be on the 12th, that is Friday, in July this year 2024. He will be going to Gulu at his home in a UA behind a UA health center in Pajalaro division. Then on Saturday, which will be the 13th of July, a requiem mass shall be laid at Holy Rosary Catholic. So at Holy Rosary Catholic Church in Gulu City, that is on Saturday, and burial in Tangi. The burial will be in Tangi, in Pura ancestral home in Nwoya, on Sunday. So the burial will take place on Sunday. That will be the 14th of July at a place known as Tangi in Pura, which is ancestral home in Nwoya district. So that is the full roadmap to laying off the Acholi fallen hero, Major Opiyo Patrick Awany, in Nwoya district. As I've ever said, may the good Lord grant him eternal rest. Amen.